Kiefer, say hi, Dada.
Dada.
Say happy.
Happy.
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Why are you happy?
Because Dad's home.
Because Dad's home. What are you eating?
A Jello snack.
A Jello snack? What is that shape?
I don't know.
Oh, is it not a shape anymore because you took a bite out of it? And what color is it?
Green.
And what does it taste like?
It tastes like Jello.
It tastes like Jello. Awesome. But does it have a flavor?
Green.
A green flavor? Does it taste like a fruit?
Yeah.
Like what kind of fruit does it taste like?
I don't know.
Maybe lime? What you doing, Kiefer? What you got there, bud?
Yes.
This? Are you making a jiggler? Push. Kiefer, can you say choo-choo?
Choo-choo.
Can you say, hey, what sound does a dog make? What sound does a cat make?
Look.
Now, what does a cat say?
Wow. Wow.
What does let Kiefer do it. Kiefer, what does a horse say?
Neigh.
Yeah. What does a sheep say?
Da.
No, sheep.
Ba.
Ba. What does a cow say?
Moo.
Good. What does a duck say?
Gah.
Quack, quack. What does a pig say? What else? Bird. What does a bird say? Tweet. What does a monkey say? What?
Oh.
A what?
A reindeer.
What does a reindeer say? What? What does a lion say? Rawr.
And how about the elephant and the bear and the giraffe?
Well, you tell me. What does an elephant say? Good. What does a giraffe say?
I don't know.
What does a bear say?
Let's go
Yay! Kiefer, can you say kashi? Is it your favorite thing to eat? Kashi bars? Kiefer. What else? What does a... Can you say helicopter?
Turkey.
Can you say Cortland?
Turkey.
Turkey. Can you say Kiefer?
Kiki.
Kiki. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
How old are you?
2.
No, you're not 2. You're 1. Can you say 1? 1. Yeah. 1. Kiefer, can you wave hello? Wave hi. Can you blow a kiss? Can you give a kiss? Yeah, good. Kiefer, where's your hair?
Hey.
Yeah. Where's your nose? Yeah. Where's your mouth? Yeah. Where's your eye? Where's your ear? Yeah. Where's your other ear? Yeah. Where's your belly button? It's somewhere down there. Yeah. Where's your foot? Where's your foot? That's your foot? Oh, I didn't know. Okay. Well, do you want to say anything? Can you say grandmom?
Bye. Let's say bye.
Oh, I'm kind of getting bored. Say bye-bye. Can you say hi, grandmom? Say grandmom.
No.
Can you say Tom?
No.
Can you say grandpa?
Grandpa.
Oh, good. Can you say nanny?
Hug.
Can you say
Baby.
Aunt Lindsay? Good. Can you say Sean? Good. Can you say Courtney? Turkey. Can you say Matt? Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Say I love you. Keeper, say I love you. Say I love you. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye. Bye, Courtland.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.
I think we should stop.